As a scientist, I like mysteries and I want to solve mysteries. You want to understand what makes up the universe and where things come from.
FRBs, fast radio bursts, are a modern astrophysical whodunit. They last but a millisecond, and we know that they come from somewhere outside our galaxy.
In that millisecond that they're emitting, they outshine everything in the radio sky except the sun.
There are very many fundamental properties of fast radio bursts that we don't understand.
We don't know what causes them. They're just such an extreme object that it has to be something weird.
There are lots of explanations. Are they two very dense stars merging into one another? Are they stars that explode?
Maybe it's a neutron star and a black hole colliding. Who knows?
And that's why this research that we've been doing is so exciting, because it's at last enabled us to get a handle on some of those fundamental properties of these bursts.
ASKAP is the Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder. It's a radio telescope that sits in the Murchison Shire in Western Australia. It's a really unique instrument because it has this really amazing electronics called a phased array feed. With the phased array feed, we can see 36 different parts of the sky all simultaneously. This is really important for fast radio bursts because we don't know at any time where in the universe a fast radio burst is going to happen. So the more sky you can cover, the better chance you have of seeing one.
In this paper, we have presented the discovery of 20 fast radio bursts.
In the past, fast radio bursts have been very difficult to work out exactly which galaxy they're coming from.
We've been able to measure the positions of brightnesses more accurately than other radio telescopes. We've been able to compare our bursts to previous bursts and confirm that the bursts are coming from halfway across the universe.
This research shows that these things can act as cosmic lighthouses. Because we have this imprint of all of the matter that these things have propagated through on their journey towards the Earth, we can actually use them to weigh the universe. And that matters because half of the non-exotic matter that you and I are made of, when we look about in the present day universe, we can't find it. And these things can actually find that matter, find where it's lurking in the universe, and find exactly how much is missing.
The future is really bright for ASKAP. When we're using the full array, we'll get way more FRBs, so we'll find more and more of them at a much faster rate. We will be able to pinpoint exactly the galaxy that this particular FRB comes from. And when we do that, we can do a whole bunch of new science that has never been possible until now.